On today's video, we're going to be doing barbecue chicken thighs on our pit boss. Stay tuned. Alright, so here you have it. We have 6 nice pieces of chicken thighs. These are boneless chicken thighs. For the rub that we're going to be using today, it's going to be the Killer Hogs, the barbecue rub, the AP seasoning, and the barbecue sauce. So it's been a while since I've done barbecue chicken, and I've really been wanting some barbecue chicken. So we're gonna go ahead and add some of this AP rub. So the chicken's already moist, so I don't need to add any binder to it. So we're just gonna go ahead and add some of this AP rub all over it. Just like that. Simple, easy, some delicious. We're gonna go ahead and add our barbecue rub on top. Get that nice color to it. Go ahead and just pat it in there. Oh, nice and heavy. Now we're gonna flip them and do the same on the other side. Nothing but flavor on these chickens. Oh man, pretty excited to try these. It's been a while. A good over a year. We got our grill grates back, and we're gonna go ahead and put these on these. Just makes it easy to transport. All right, so there you have it. Now, how are we gonna cook this in our Pit Boss Sportsman's? We're gonna put it at 325 degrees. We're gonna let it ride. The other times that I've done it at 325, they've done it like around, I think they've taken around an hour and a half around there. So we'll be keeping an eye on these. And then once they get to about 150, 155, I'm gonna go ahead and add the barbecue sauce. Now I like my chicken cooked like 170 internal temp. Some of you may not agree with the 170, and that's fine. If you guys like it, yours at 160. Some people say take it off at 160 and it'll still continue cooking as it rests. Then you can take it out a little bit earlier than my time. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our Pit Boss. All right, our grill is up to temp, 325. Put it right here. And we'll be back when it hits about 150, 155. We'll turn them around so we can put the barbecue sauce on the other side first. Alright, man, these chickens smell delicious. Go ahead and turn them around. All right, those are good to go. All right, our chicken is up to temp. It's about a 168. About 168 or 170. Oh, look at that. All right, let's go. All right, so here we have it. And before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. gonna go ahead and get this piece right here. Oh yeah. Looks nice and juicy. Hot, very, very hot. All right, let's try it. That's some good chicken. Just the right amount of seasoning, rub, barbecue sauce is perfect. So there you have it. This took about an hour and a half to get it to close to 170 internal temp. If you guys don't like it that high, you guys can start checking it at an hour mark. Once it hits 1 hour, start checking it, and whatever internal temp you guys like, you guys can go from there. I'm giving you guys a kind of time limit of, I'm giving you guys an example of how long it probably will take. Mine took an hour and 30. Your guys might take less time or more time depending on your grill. So make sure you guys hit that like, hit the subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.